How to reopen Instagram photos which have been already viewed. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to reopen the Instagram photos which you already have viewed or opened. So first thing, head over to your Instagram application, and inside your Instagram application click on any of your photos which are being sent as an view once photo. As you can see, I can only view this one time, and once I view it I cannot see it back. I cannot see it back for two times. So what you need to do is you simply have to head over to your Instagram application and long press on it and until you see the information icon over here. And once you're inside here, click on the storage option. And once you click on the storage option, make sure to clear your cache and also clear your data like this. And once you do that, just make sure you have updated your Instagram from the Play Store application. And as you can see, my Instagram app is updated, so simply open it. And once you're inside here, as you can see, you will get the new view once photo just like we previously shown. So that is exactly how you can easily reopen the Instagram photos which have been already viewed. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.